Good morning guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to just do a really quick unboxing video. I haven't done one for ages actually, but I have recently, well no, probably about 4 or 5 months, maybe even 6, become a Patreon, part of the Patreon group for Helen Colebrook from Journal with Purpose. And she shares some fantastic layouts in her journals, and a lot of the washes that she uses are from a company called London Gifties. And oh, there's some beautiful bits and bobs. So long story short, I decided to have a little looky and subscribe to their newsletter, and this is my first order. Very small order, to be honest. But I wanted a couple of bits for my new winter journal, so I just thought I would I've just opened this and I thought, oh, do you know what, I'll switch the camera on and share it with you, see what we get. So I really like, there's quite a few, so that's my order here, but a few little isn't it beautifully wrapped, and it said because it was a new releases, 7 to 14 days for the order to be processed for delivery, and this came in 7 days, so that was quite nice. So let me just, I wonder if that lighting's all right. Anyway, I hope that lighting's all right, guys. So that's one of the gorgeous little cards to pop in my journals. Washi's my, oh, very nice. These are lovely little cards, aren't they? Beautiful. Oh, little samples. These these are lovely, absolutely gorgeous. They need to be lovely for the autumn journal, wouldn't they? These are little samples, I think, of different things that they do. I've ordered a couple. I've ordered, I'll show you in a mo. It'd be easier if I had another. Let's see. Hold on a mo. Hold on. Don't know if that's easier to see. Is that easier to see? On the back of my hand. These little freebies that give you a little taste of the different. Wow. Let's put that there so it's not distraction. That's better. Very pretty. Little stickers. That's lovely. But I'm focusing okay. And there's that one. I think these will be going into my winter journal. I've just popped these signatures in the winter journal last night. For it'll be December to January to February. These are definitely going in my winter journal. They're gorgeous. They could be autumn or winter, couldn't they? That's lovely. So all these lovely freebies and a lovely card. And the washi tapes. So those are the little freebies that have come along with the order, which are gorgeous. And then these are the tapes. Now one is, oh, I think I went for evening journaling or nighttime journaling, I think. It seems a shame to ruin that, but it has to be done. And the other one was about townscapes. Old Towns. Those are the two I went for. I could have easily, oh, there were loads. There were loads. So what's this now? Breakfast tea. Ooh. Imperial match. How lovely. A little treat for whilst you're popping your bits and pieces in your journal. And that's another freebie. Oh, wow. Let's have a look and see. Let's have a look and see what's in the freebie. Oh, wooden stamp. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful, beautiful wooden stamp. I haven't used my stamps in ages. In fact, I was just looking at them the other day thinking that I really need to start to sort out. Let's have a look. So, this is... Oh, so these are different townscapes. Let me just see. Yeah, so I've just taken a little while just to unwrap them. And so what I've got is cozy London Gifties cozy journaling at night. That's what I've ordered. And I also went for the colourful and fun townhouses. And so let's have a look at what can we have first? Right, these are the townhouses. Let's have a quick look and see what they're like. Aren't they gorgeous? So this is 6 centimetres high. Absolutely love them. So far, I haven't had any repeats. I don't know if that's the... Now, is that a repeat? So I've gone for a kind of a towny vibe in cityscape vibe in my winter journal. And I thought these would look beautiful. That'll give you an idea, guys. I can't unwrap it all, otherwise I'll get it back on the roll again. But that will give you an idea of the old townhouses. Now that's what it's called. Colourful and fun townhouses. And then I also have, as I say, the cozy journaling at night, which I think for a winter's evening, in a winter journal, would be absolutely perfect. So, okay, this goes vertically. So that's the one. It's a really nice wintry one, isn't it? Oh. So you're going to see quite a few of these in my December to February journal. So that's it, guys. It's a very small, small order this time around. I'm not going to undo them all, undo it all the way, but so far I don't think there's been any repeats. Is there? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Don't take my word on that. Is there? Is that a repeat? Anyway, so that's it, guys. That's my unboxing of my London Gifties beautiful washes, plus all the lovely freebies too. So impressed with that. I will be ordering again. And yeah, take a look for yourselves, guys, if you fancy treating yourselves to some new washes and other bits and pieces. I think you'll be really, I've been pleasantly surprised, really impressed. and I can't wait to get moving, adding these lovely pieces to my journal. So as I said, I've put my signatures in my winter journal. I'm just about to start to embellish my December pages. So that's it, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed this little oh, what's the word? Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and speak to you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.